Hello students, welcome to my channel. In today's class, we are going to start shortest distance between two lines. In this video, we are just writing the formula and we will be solving the questions and we will also understand the concept. The derivation of the formula is not here. We will make a separate video for understanding the derivation of the formula. Right. So what is, I have written two formula. One is for Cartesian form, one is for vector form. If lines are in Cartesian form is given, then the formula for shortest distance is this, and if it is in vector form, the formula for shortest distance is this. What we need to do in vector form, we need to calculate a1, b1, a2, b2, right, by comparing the equation from these equations. And in Cartesian form, we want x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. One thing that is very important, that is what skew lines. Skew lines. What do we mean by skew lines? देखो बेटा, skew lines, two lines which are neither parallel nor intersecting. जैसे इस टाइप की लाइंस बोलेंगे. देखो, these two lines are neither parallel nor intersecting, means these two are skew lines. So we are finding the shortest distance for skew lines. For parallel line, we'll make a separate video and we'll understand in that. Right? So skew lines क्या होता है? Lines neither parallel nor intersecting. One more thing, there is a separate question that is asked, prove that lines are intersecting. So we'll relate it with shortest distance. Lines are intersecting means what? अगर दो lines के बीच का shortest distance 0 होगा तो हम बोलेंगे line intersect कर रहा है. So it is simply just find the shortest distance. If shortest distance is 0, then tell lines are intersecting. Now how to find intersecting point between two lines, that we'll discuss in the question. Now the first question that we are having, that is asked in 2014 exam and also from NCERT. It is in vector form. We need to find the shortest distance between two lines. Lines are given here, right? I have not written the question, just written shortest distance between two lines. How to solve this question? First, compare the equation with r equal to a plus lambda b. So we'll have a1, b1, a2 and b2. Right? We'll first find a1, b1, a2, b2. R equal to a plus lambda b. This is a1, this is b1. So what is a1? I plus j. And what is b1? 2i minus j plus k. What I have told? R equal to a1 plus lambda b1. R equal to a2 plus mu b2. So we'll compare with that. What is a2? 2i plus j minus k, 3i minus 5j plus 2k. Right? Now we'll write, we know that shortest distance क्या होता है ये formula? What is the formula for shortest distance? a2 minus a1 dot b1 cross b2 whole upon mod b1 cross b2. Right? So what we need to do? We need to first find a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1. So what is a2? a2 minus a1, 2i minus I, that is I. j में से j cancel हो गया. Minus k minus 0 minus k. This is a2 minus a1. Now I will find b1 cross b2. How to find cross product? I j k. First row will be I j k. Second row for b1, third row for c1. b1 के I j k के coefficient 2 minus 1 1 and b2 3 minus 5 2. Right? So value across, चलो यही पे करते हैं. Value across first row r1. First row में देखो, first element is I. रो कॉलम डिलीट करेंगे हम. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई -2 minus 5 plus 5 minus j. रो कॉलम डिलीट 4 minus 3 plus k. रो कॉलम डिलीट -10 plus 3. So we have, this is 3i minus j minus 7k, that is b1 cross b2. b1 cross b2. So what is mod of b1 cross b2? Under root 3k square प्लस माइनस 1 का स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस 7 का स्क्वायर, भाई i के कंपोनेंट का स्क्वायर, j के कंपोनेंट का स्क्वायर एंड k के कोफिशिएंट का स्क्वायर, so we'll have under root 9 plus 1 plus 49, that is under root 59, right? 59. Okay, now we'll put all these value in equation number 1. By equation number 1, shortest distance is equal to a2 minus a1, that is I minus k. b1 cross b2, b1 cross b2 is what? 3i minus j minus 7k upon mod of b1 cross b2, that is root 59. So we have i वाले मल्टीप्लाई करो 1 into 3, j वाले, j वाला यहाँ पे क्या है 0, कुछ नहीं है मतलब 0. And what is the coefficient of j? minus 1. This k वाला minus 1 minus 7 upon root 59. So this is 3, this is 7, which में 0 है, 3 plus 7 10, 10 upon under root 59. And बेटा please write units, है ना, units लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. And this is the answer. Now I hope this question is clear to you. I will not take much questions to solve a similar variety because यार variety नहीं है यार, question का pattern change हो सकता है. Next question I will be writing. One thing should be clear to all of you. If you are able to find a1, b1, a2, b2, you just need to put in the formula and do some easy calculations. है ना, बहुत दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं, सिर्फ फॉर्मूले में पुट करने पे आंसर निकल जाता है. इसी क्वेश्चन में अगर हमारा शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस 0 आ जाता तो हम बोलते थे लाइन इंटरसेक्टिंग होगा. एक क्वेश्चन जरूर रहेंगे जहाँ क्वेश्चन अलग तरीके से पूछा गया है, तो उस क्वेश्चन को मैं बस इधर तक लाके छोड़ूंगा, a1 b1 a2 b2. लेट्स सी. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव find the find the shortest distance between these two lines. The only difference in the question is the first equation that is written in different format. Second तो same लिखा है हमारे पास. So first equation को I will just simplify it. What you will get from here? From the first equation, r equal to, can I write 8i plus 3 lambda I plus minus 9j minus 16 lambda j plus 10k plus 7 lambda k. So इन तीनों में देखो i j k को पहले लिख दो. This is 8i minus 9j plus 10k, and from remaining 3 take lambda common. So we have 3i minus 16j plus 7k. So this is a1, this is b1. Means a1 क्या हो जाएगा हमारा, किसी को भी a1 b1 ले सकते हो from any equation. 8i minus 9j plus 10k, 3i minus 16j plus 7k, and this is what, a2 b2. a2 we have 15i plus 29j plus 5k, b2 3i plus 8j minus 5k. Right, now what we are going to do, we'll write the formula for shortest distance. The question was of same pattern, so I have just solved it and written the answer. Therefore what we have done, we have found a2 minus a1, a2 minus a1 and b1 cross b2, right? And b1 cross b2 जो भी है उसका मैंने मॉड लिया है, राइट? आप वीडियो पॉज करके देख सकते हैं, वीडियो पॉज कर ले, आराम से देख लेते हैं. And we got the answer, that is 98/7, that is equal to 14 units. Thank you. Now the next question we will take of Cartesian. Now next question we have, I have taken in Cartesian form and I will solve this question by Cartesian formula. Although we can convert it into vector form and we can solve it by vector formula, but we want to understand what to do by Cartesian formula, that we'll see. Now what we'll do first in the question, we'll compare our equation with x minus x1 upon a1, y minus y1 upon b1, and z minus z1 upon c1. Likewise x minus x2 upon a2, y minus y2 upon b2, and z minus z2 upon c2. So what will be a1, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, and c2. Right? What is x1 here? x1 is 3. Compare it. What is y1? 5, z1 7, x2 देखो x minus x2 या प्लस है, तो अगर इस प्लस को माइनस करना है तो माइनस ऑफ -1 लिखना पड़ेगा, मींस -1, दिस इज -1, दिस इज आल्सो -1. a1, what is a1? 2 minus 1 1, 2 1 minus 2 1, and 7 minus 6 1. Formula is shortest distance equal to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 whole upon under root a1 b2 minus b2 a b1 a2 का whole square, b1 c2 minus b2 c1 का whole square, c1 a2 minus a2 c1 का whole square. So we'll have shortest distance, that is, ध्यान से देखो बेटा, पुट करता हूँ ये सारी वैल्यू. So I will have -1 -3 -1 -5 -1 -7, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, right, upon under root a1 b2 कैसे निकालेंगे? अब देखो बहुत आसान है, इसको याद करने की जरूरत नहीं, जस्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. 6 into -1 -6 माइनस -14 मींस +14 का होल स्क्वायर. अब इन दोनों को ले लो, प्लस -2 + 6 का होल स्क्वायर, देन फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट 1 -7 का होल स्क्वायर. सो दिस इज -4. वैल्यू अब भी निकाल रहा हूं डिटरमिनेंट का अक्रॉस फर्स्ट रो. फर्स्ट रो का पहला एलिमेंट -4 है. I will delete rows and columns, so I will delete -2 -6 plus 6. This is -6. This will be 1 -7 plus -8. The third element is -8. Row column delete करो. -6 plus 14 whole upon under root. This will be 8 square 64. 4 square 16 and 6 square 36. So 4 4s are 16, 6 6s are 30. देखो -6 plus 36, this is minus, and plus 8 minus 64 upon, this is under root 16 को 80 and 36 root 116. न्यूमरेटर में आ रहा है -116 upon root 116. That is minus under root 116. That can be written as 29 into 4 minus 2 root 29. Now shortest distance cannot be negative. So negative हटाएंगे तो shortest distance क्या हो जाएगा? 2 root 29 units. So I hope these questions are clear to you. In the next video I will be coming with, if two lines are parallel, how to find shortest distance between them.